So we have to do the cause and effect task cards. So you'll have a sheet and each card is labeled 1, 2, 3, 4. There is a small paragraph for each card, and then there are 2 questions after you read each paragraph. Once you complete one of the cards, it is done. You no longer need it, and you move on to your next one. You should have a sheet that looks like this to record your answers. So card number 1, what was our cause? We write it here. And what was our effect of that cause? We would write it right there. Now, when something asks you to find what is cause and effect, so you are going to read this paragraph and you are going to look for what happened. Something happened. That would be the cause. Then the effect would be what was the aftermath of the event that happened. So I'm going to start by reading the very first card. It says, Amelia was on her way to the office. Her teacher had asked her to bring some papers to the secretary. A boy accidentally bumped into her. Amelia dropped all of the papers on the floor. The boy apologized and helped her to clean them up. So the teacher asked her to do something. While she was on her way there, something happened, and then something else happened after that. So it says, what caused Amelia to drop the papers, and then what was the effect of Amelia dropping the papers. So if we look back in our paragraph, we notice that the teacher asked her to bring it to the secretary, and while she was on their way there, it says a boy accidentally bumped into her. So that would be our cause. So I'm going to go on my answer sheet, and right here for card number 1, cause, I'm going to write a boy accidentally bumped into her. A boy accidentally bumped into her. So there's my very first cause right there. Now, excuse me. My second question is, what was the effect of Amelia dropping the papers? So the boy bumped into her, right? And the effect of that was she dropped all the papers. But it's asking us, what was the effect of her dropping the papers? So if we look in there and we see the sentence that says, Amelia dropped all of the papers on the floor, that very next sentence says, the boy apologized and helped her to clean them up. So that is our effect. The boy apologized and he helped her clean them up. So that's what I'm going to write in my effect. The boy apologized and helped her clean them up. So there's my effect. It's kind of a lot to write in that one little line, but that's okay. Again, if you don't have enough room on the answer sheet, you can always use a piece of paper and just make sure you title your paper, cause and effect task cards, and you number them and you go through them. So after reading that paragraph, we know what caused Amelia to drop the papers and we know what the effect of that was. So you just have to go through each one of them just like that. Very simple. If you get confused, just skip it and come back to it.